Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply split transition in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported some clips to my CapCut project, and if you want to add split transition, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this transition button right here. Then you can select split transition. Make sure that you choose split category. So you have to scroll your screen like this. Make sure that you scroll all the way to the right on this part like this, and then just click on the split category. Then you can select the split transition that you want, and for example I'm going to select this one. So just tap on the transition, then you can adjust the duration. You can go right to increase the duration, and you can go left to decrease the duration. Okay, and after you're done selecting the duration, you just need to click on this check mark. And if you want to apply the split transition to all your clips, you can click on apply to all right here. And I'm just going to click on apply to all. Then we can click on this check mark button. Okay, and now this split transition has been applied to our video. And now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm gonna play the video. Okay, and this is the result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply split transition in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.